If you're selling your home in North Natomas or anywhere in the greater Sacramento area, your HVAC system can kill your deal. This is one of the biggest deal killers I see in real estate, and this very issue just cropped up with one of my listings. If your HVAC unit is older, you need to hear this before you list your home. Yesterday, I was in the middle of negotiations on one of my homes here in North Natomas, and this exact issue came up. Here's what happens all the time. A seller says the HVAC is fine, we've maintained it, we don't need to replace it. And technically, they're not wrong. But here's what almost always happens. The buyer does a home inspection, and then when they receive the home inspection report back, the home inspector writes, HVAC nearing the end of its useful life. Recommend further evaluation. Now the buyer brings in an HVAC company. And guess what? That HVAC company is almost never going to say, yeah, it looks great, no issues. They're going to recommend major repairs or even full replacement. And that's exactly what happened with one of my listings this week. The buyer got a bid which was way higher than what we expected. And yesterday we were in heavy negotiations over this. Luckily, I was able to negotiate this one the right way and was able to get the buyers and sellers to agree on a substantially lower credit than the buyers initially asked for. But in situations like this, it doesn't always work out so well. When situations arise where you don't have cooperative buyers, deals can and do fall apart over this very issue. So if you're thinking about selling your home, you have to understand, even if your HVAC is working perfectly today, buyers are going to treat it like a future liability. And this is where strategy matters. Do you replace it up front, price accordingly, or be prepared to negotiate a credit later? Every situation is different, but if you don't plan for this, it can absolutely derail your deal. If you're thinking about selling and want to avoid situations like this, reach out and I'd be happy to go over some of the options with you.